Sutton RV is your Adventurer dealer. The Adventurer Truck Camper Model 89 RV is 8 foot 9 inches in length with a 60 by 80 queen-size bed, mirror sliding double-door wardrobe, and ample storage. The Face-to-Face Dream Dinette along with rear galley makes this 8 foot 9 inch camper feel like it has the room of a slide-out. This classic style also offers the largest wet bath in the industry, topped with a large, bright, and airy skylight. This comfortable and convenient model fits 6 foot and larger short bed and all long bed trucks. Plus, you can add a generator in either configuration, making the 89 RV the most versatile truck camper in the industry. Standard features: RVIA code compliant, 12 volt USB charging station, 12 volt bathroom power vent, 26-inch friction hinge entrance door with screen EOP, 3 years structural warranty TCC EOP, 4-season insulation package EOP, basement storage tray, steel with rollers, battery compartmental dual with disconnect, black holding tank flushing system, blinds, nightshades, cabinet doors Aria Premier, carpet full cab over floor, compartment doors radius insulated slam latches, converter 45 amp with battery charger, Dream Dinette bed conversion, exterior and interior magnetic catches, fantastic fan exhaust roof vent, folding entry assist handle, full extension soft closing drawer slides EOP, furnace 20,000 BTU, insulation closed cell block foam, Lamilux 4000 gel coat fiberglass exterior EOP, LED lights interior and exterior EOP. Low point drain with winterization valves, mattress 60 by 80 double density foam designer cover, mirrored double wardrobe closet, moonroof with screen and solar reflective shade, new generation Happijac manual, fat ladder black, pre-wire for AC, solar, micro, stereo, electric jack, propane dual 20-pound bottles, auto charge over reg, range hood residential stainless with fan and light. This Adventurer is waiting for you at Sutton RV, stock number 6338. At Sutton RV, you're gonna like it here.